Hi dear! Happy New Year! Ang giniginawa ko, tinan mo naman ang balat ko, grabe! Nakabalat ako ng gusto. But I don't really need it. It's not that cold. So I'm gonna take it off. Hindi ko naman pala siya kailangan. But ano, it's windy, so I want to make sure na ano, hindi ako magkasakit. Kaya nag-bundle up ako talaga.
It's warmer in here.
Look at it.
Oh, ito maganda to, oh.
Oh man, I don't think we'll make it to the show.
Anaconda.
Then again, I don't know when it starts. Dragon.
Ayan, close up. Para mas maganda. Galing ng mga Chinese, ah. Napaka-artistic nila. Ito yung ano, dragon sideways.
Look at the light. It's like,
Look at the icicles. That's supposed to be icicles, like, what do they call them? Glaciers? Isotopes?
Icebergs?
no, those things over there.
Ang dami lang tao ngayong gabi
It's
dito.
a turtle dragon.
Oh, ito naman. Turtle. It's a turtle.
Yeah, that's dragon. That's turtle.
Turtle tortoise.
Meron siyang snake. Ang hilig sa snake na mga ano, no, Chinese. Ito yung buntot niya. Ang pretty, oh. Ang galing.
Yeah, I am monkey. What did I take? Yeah, monkey.
Ang daming tao, oh. Grabe. Siksikan. Sana walang COVID dito. Zodiac sign.
I'll sacrifice myself for you.
Come on, let's go find
Ito ang zodiac sign ni Lee.
You don't want to take a picture? No, you can.
Ito naman, rooster.
Daddy, are you a sheep? They are grand and strong animals. They are. If I was born,
I'll be worried. I'll be looking for you.
Ang cute ng ilaw nila. Medyo madilim. Nasa ano kami? Nasa park. Medyo madilim. Ang ganda ng presentation nila, oh. Parang Chinese New Year dito. Nag-iiba yung kulay ng ano. Nag-iiba yung kulay ng kanilang lights. Ang ganda ng pagoda nila, oh. Mailaw. Beautiful pagoda. Tingnan mo yung swing nila. Ang ano, may ilaw yung swing nila, oh. It's so pretty. I like the swing. Ito si ano, limahong.
The mustache is coming out of. I don't know.
Ang cute ng mga ilaw nila.
It's not coming out.
Ito yung ulo niya. Ay, teka. It goes this way. Ayan siya. Tapos ando doon ang kanyang tail. All the way to the end.